being without jurisdiction and the orders dated 24/5/1988 through which the Reven petition was dismissed by the collector on 24/5/1988 as being illegal and the maintenance allowance be ordered not to be recovered from him. Full stop. The matter was contested in between the parties. Full stop. The trial court framed the requisite issues and recorded evidence of the parties and then came to the conclusion that the suit of respondent number 1 was liable to be decreed in his favor and passed the judgment and decree accordingly on 19/1992. Full stop. The present petitioner, feeling herself dissatisfied, filed an appeal before the appellate court from where her approval was dismissed on 27/9/1995 and the judgment and decree of the trial court was maintained. Full stop. The petitioner has assailed the legality and validity of the judgments and decrees of both the courts below through this Reven petition. Full stop. Learned counsel for the parties have been heard and the entire record with their assistance has been perused. Full stop. The main submission of learned counsel for the petitioner is that the respondent number 1 was fully aware of the proceedings before arbitration council, and if it be assumed that he was not aware of these proceedings, he contested the application for execution moved by the petitioner in the year 1978, and with this background, the suit brought by him in the year 1998 was hopelessly barred by time. Full stop. It was further alleged that the respondent number 1 in his cross-examination admitted about the existence of the decree in favor of the petitioner with regard to the maintenance in the year 1973. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent number 1 has opposed the submissions and supported the judgments and decrees of the courts below. Full stop. Apart from it, it has been submitted by learned counsel for respondent number 1 that the original application for maintenance was submitted by the father of the petitioner. Full stop.